Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are very excited of doing our stained glass pictures. We got these for Christmas and mine's a pretty butterfly. And my design is a safari. So what we'll do, we'll open this up, read the instructions, and we'll be right back. Bye. Hi, we've just read our instructions, and mine says first for me to put the stickers on top of the frame and align it so I know where to put the pieces. And then what I do is, like, if I'm having a hard time taking off the stickers, I fold it. That'll make one part of the sticker fold up, and then I take that sticker and put it in these leaded areas. As you can see, maybe, I don't know if you can, and it has like a wall between where each sticker goes. That helps me determine where each sticker must go. My instructions tell me to peel off the front and thin paper lining and on the stickers and stack so the stickers align. Then put the picture map up under the frame like this. Let me see, like this, so it aligns. Then and my sticker key will help me see piece 1. Then I'll take piece 1 right here and put it in piece 1's place. Okay, we've got all the stickers in, and I liked how my butterfly turned out. It's really nice, and I had a lot of fun making it. Now, this is my safari. First, there are some blades of grass, which is the green. The blue right here is the sky. Over here we've got an elephant, lion right here, rhinoceros, and a giraffe. As you can see, the giraffe is eating plants. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.